This freelance copywriter earns $150 per hour on Upwork. Let's take a look. Starting with the account overview, so you can see #1 email expert and copywriter, $150 an hour rate, over $200K in total earnings, 100% job success, and he's got the top rated Upwork badge. I like how he right away just includes client testimonials. He has other clients tell the world how great he is. So he's got several testimonials from clients right away. And then he's got a small bio. He's over 8 years of experience in marketing, 5 in law. He's got some specialties in there. And of course, in the email marketing space. Employment history, a founder at Double Speed Media and a marketing manager before that. Looking at some of his portfolio projects, here's an example of a chain email marketing campaign for a client called Track It. So you can see he created the content and keywords for this email campaign to boost conversions. Excellent design. Next we have a email template that he wrote up for Travi, another email marketing project. This would automatically be sent, I guess, once they sign up for a MailChimp autoresponder. Moving on to his reviews from clients, you can see the clients really love this guy. 5-star, perfect feedback and communication, meeting deadlines. This was for an email sequence campaign for a tech startup looking for an experienced copywriter to create 3 email sequences to increase conversion rate. US-based market, target CTOs, CEOs, and HR managers. In this other instance of perfect client feedback, they needed a content writer for AI-based merchandising startup. Perfect feedback from the client once again. And they were looking for a content writer to build out skyscraper content on e-commerce website and a series of LinkedIn posts to engage marketing efforts and grow the customer base. So 2 long-form content pieces, 1,500 words each, and then 20 LinkedIn posts. So the big difference here is this copywriter focuses and specializes in email marketing, which is a very high demand skill set for clients. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe. Link in the description. I'm going to include a free freelancing checklist, so take advantage of that.